Hey all, welcome. So this is a tutorial in which we are going to see WebKit. We are going to open the WebKit by using PyQt5. So before doing that, if you don't have the WebKit installed on your PyQt, I would suggest you to go to terminal and then use install PyQt WebKit. So as I have already installed, so I'd suggest you to follow in the description link which I'm going to provide for installing the PyQt5 WebKit. So let's get started with the coding part. The first thing what we are going to do is we are going to import sys, then followed by we are going to import from pyqt5.qt core. We are going to import asterisk star. So after doing this, we are going to import from pyqt5.qtgui. We are going to import again star. Then we are going to import from pyqt5 dot qt webkit. We are going to import again star. Here we go. Then next step what we are going to do from pyqt5 dot qt webkit widgets. We are going to import star. So we have imported qt webkit widgets. Lastly, we are going to import from pyqt5 dot qt widgets. I'm going to import q application q. Oops, I guess we have missed something. Two times I have used the import statement. So q application. Along with that, I'm going to import q widget and q main window. Here we go. We have imported the required steps. The Qt WebKit and Qt WebKit widgets are more important. So let's now go ahead and start writing the code. The first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a variable called app. Then inside that I'm going to use the Q application and sys.argv. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a variable called web, and inside that I'm going to use Q web view. Okay, so we have used the Q web view. There we go. So the next step what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this web dot, I'm going to use the load, and inside that I'm going to use Q URL, and let's provide the URL which we are going to open, which is I'm going to use https colon double slash, let's open the google.com. There we go. So we have used it. And lastly, I'm going to use the web which I have created dot, I'm going to use the show. And last, let's use the sys.exit, and inside that let's use app.execute. So here we go. We have used the required things. So first thing what we did, we have imported the Qt core, Qt GUI, Qt that is Qt WebKit. Then we have used the Qt WebKit widgets. Then lastly, we have used the Q application, and followed by first we have created the app, and inside that Q we have used Q application, and inside the web we have used Q web view. And by using the web which we have created, we are going to use the dot load, and inside that we have used the Q URL and provided the description which we link which we are going to open, which is google.com, or as per your wish you can set it. right now I have set it as https google.com, and we have used web.show and sys.exit. And I would like to suggest you to install the Qt WebKit if you don't have in the PyQt 5 by following in the below description link, which I'm going to provide for installing the Qt WebKit, which is install Qt WebKit inside the terminal. So by using this terminal, you need to write down the install. There is a for installing that Qt WebKit. You need to follow the description link which I'm going to provide. So that's it. Let's go ahead and now run the program and check whether the google.com is opening or not. I have used the like we need to use small L, that is web.load. So let's now go ahead and run the program and check for the output. Here we go. We are running the program. As you can see, we have successfully opened the google.com by using the code, which is by using Qt WebKit widgets and Qt WebKit, and also the other code. So here we go. As Google is opened, so I would like to explain what happened. So by this is a Q main window, and as I have provided https://google.com, so Google has been opened, and as per your wish, you need to provide your web details that you are going to open. So this is how we created the like we opened the web browser by using this code, this 5 simple lines of code. That is, we have used qwebview and then qurl inside the web.load, and by using web.show, we have successfully opened the browser, which is WebKit, by using the WebKit. And the things that is mostly required for like running the program is the Qt core, Qt WebKit widgets, and Q widgets. These are some of the stuffs which I have used, but which I have imported, but I have not used. As per your wish, you can import. So I have just used it for reference purpose and for other stuff if I'm going to create. So GUI and Qt WebKit. So by using this 6 things, by importing 6 things, and by using the app and Q application inside it, and Q web view, and inside the load URL, I've just provided Q URL. By using the simple lines of code, you can successfully open the browser, uh, your Google, and use as per your wish. So that's it for today, and in the coming tutorials, I'm going to explain you about opening the complete web browser as well, and other creative stuffs by using PyQt 5. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining with Programming Knowledge. Make sure to install the Qt WebKits if you don't have. If you have, then no need of installing it. So if you want to use the Qt WebKit widgets, you need to first install the Qt WebKit widgets inside the PyQt 5 by using install Qt Web. Some one line of code is there that you need to install in the terminal or in the command prompt by using the code. So for doing that, kindly find in the below description link for installing the Qt WebKit widgets. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining next tutorials. Bye guys.